How we doing?
Neck. Where did
That's
you get
me.
that symbol? Alt and what number? 989? 9879?
I just copy pasted it.
Oh, okay, I gotcha. The fact that you copy pasted that, I'm very disappointed in you, but we do have a position available for you. Okay? It's
Yes.
dishwasher. Will you take it?
Absolutely.
Really? That's good. Okay, good. We're ready to go. When everyone's ready, let's go. In the kitchen, and me and you are gonna have, all three of us are gonna have smudge sticks, and we're gonna make him carry nothing but a flashlight, and he's gonna go wash dishes, and we're gonna order him around to wash dishes. And then when the ghost hunts, we're gonna haul ass, go hide, and then we'll see what we can do after that. We'll see how far we get into it. But for now, this fucker's washing dishes with his McDonald's Wi-Fi. What the fuck? How come he's not in? What the fuck's going on? Maybe he doesn't want to be the dishwasher.
Stalling.
There we go.
I'm so sorry. I don't know why that took so.
Dishwasher, just grab a flashlight. Just a flashlight.
Yes,
that's all you're taking. No. Light switching. Okay. Follow me. Okay. Now, we will enter into the home. Okay, follow me. Oh, over here. These plates must all be washed before the ghost begins a hunt. Oh. Octos, Diabolos, Impus, Nitum. You better haul ass. Snave. Octos, Diabolos, Impus, Nitum, Snave. Chica. Octos, Diabolos, Impus, Nitum,
That's no drawing rack.
Chica. Dude, you have very limited time. Stand over here.
Hey, man, I think you missed one.
Stand over here, manager. Manager, stand over. Okay. Don't forget, there's a whole dining room table. Octos, Diabolos, Impus, Nitum, Snave. Hide one. Impus, Nitum, Snave, Chican. EMF 5. Octos, Diabolos, Impus, Nitum, Snave, Chican. Octos, Diabolos, Impus, Nitum, Snave, Chican. Oh my god, so many more left. Oh, you've got forks.
There's so many dishes.
Octos, Diabolos, Impus, Nitum, Snave. God. And now, for the final one. Woe to you, O earth and sea, for the devil sends his beast with wrath, because he knows the time is short. Let he who have understanding reckon the number of the beast, for it is a human number. Its number is 666. You better run. It's gonna hunt. How many dishes you got left?
Just the ones that are in the sink.
All right. Oh my god. Those are drying over here on this side. They're drying.
Yes, on both sides. Okay. Yes.
Okay. No cap. This motherfucker is good. I gotta admit it. I'm gonna give it to him. I'm gonna fucking give it to you. It's good.
He's quick with it.
Done.
It's coming. It's close, man. It's close.
Where'd this plate come from?
Octos, Diabolos, Impus, Nitum, Snave, Chica. How many more you got left? There's forks in there. There's forks in there. Living room. Living room's got dishes. Where? There's dishes in here? Oh yeah, you're right. Upstairs too.
I'm gonna check the
dishes.
upstairs.
Okay.
Oh yeah, there's a mug right here.
Yo, keep going, dude.
Oh, there's plenty of dishes upstairs, man. A mug in about every room.
I love you, dude. Fucking awesome, man. You're not gonna make it, dude, but I mean, I fucking applaud you.
You don't know that. I could do it. Fuck.
Shh, Italy.
You locked me out of the closet. No. No.
Well, I guess you take charge now.
I have failed you.
Very well. We shall report back to the office, and your punishment will be decided.